That thing just popped right off the screen. Okay, not really. But imagine getting that kind of crisp, immersive, 4K, 3D experience right in your operating room. And without handing over your entire clinic budget. Hi, I'm Matt Young from Medium Mice, and today we're diving into a new solution from OphthalmoPro that's all about clarity, efficiency, and comfort during surgery. OphthalmoPro says that in just 20 minutes, AINNOVI transforms your existing setup into a fully digital, real-time 4K 3D system with true resolution, low latency, and a display so sharp it might just change how you operate. Joining me to share his firsthand experience is one of the earliest adopters in Germany, surgeon Dr. Burkhard Schlossmacher from Aachen. Could you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello, my name is Dr. Burkhard Schlossmacher. I've been an ophthalmic surgeon for 30 years. Our clinic specializes in cataract, retina and refractive surgery. We operate on about 80 cases a week, mostly cataract procedures.
So what was the installation process like for you?
The installation process is very simple and fast, and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. A change interoperatively to a conventional eyepiece takes 1 or 2 minutes.
What made you interested in a 4K 3D system in the first place?
I wanted to find out what advantages a 4K 3D system has. The image quality of the system is just as good as that of other providers, but at a much lower price. I'm very confident with this solution right now.
From the moment you turned it on, what stood out most in terms of image quality?
The depth perception with AINNOVI is very good, perhaps even better than with the other most tested systems. And in complex, demanding cases, this is very helpful. And the low light intensity is perceived by the patient as very pleasant. If you look to the big monitor in front of you, the image is very sharp. Especially we tried 2 times the size system. It's completely comparable to the size system. No difference. It's also a very good system for teaching, because all the students or all the assistants in the operation room have a better feeling if they look to the monitor, and so it feels like to be in between the operation.
One key feature is the ability to work under lower light levels. Have you noticed any benefits from this in your daily practice?
I think it's not a benefit for me, it's a benefit for the patients, because the low intensity is perceived as very pleasant by the patient. It also helps to minimize the light damage to the macula.
AINNOVI claims ultra-low latency, about 30 milliseconds. Does it feel real-time when you're operating?
It completely feels like real-time operating, especially in a cataract surgery, and you can feel or can see only a slow latency during the macular surgery. It's not a problem at all.
A lot of surgeons assume that getting into digital 4K 3D visualization means making a major capital investment. What would you say to that after using AINNOVI?
Compared to other 3D systems, the capital investment is significantly lower. The purchase of a complete new microscope system is not necessary, and the AINNOVI system can be connected to conventional microscopes.
Big thanks to Dr. Schlossmacher for sharing his insights. And if you're heading to DOC, don't miss the chance to see the AINNOVI system live at the OphthalmoPro booth. I'll be there, probably with popcorn. I'm Matt Young, and yes, we'll be recording in 4K. See you next time.